Guangao, Xiamen, Outdoor Products Co. Limited is a factory specializing in the production and manufacturing of ski equipment. Its products include snowboards, skis, ski poles, snowboard boots and bindings. The factory has an independent business team and production team to provide buyers with professional services and production guarantees. The factory is located in Guangzhou City, Fujian Province, covering an area of 3,000 square meters. The technical staff has 20 years of experience in snowboard production, 75 employees, and a monthly production of more than 4,000 pieces, which can quickly meet the different customization needs of buyers. The factory has many years of experience in foreign trade OEM and has produced OEM for many well-known ski sports brands. Customers come from 25 countries including Europe, Canada, the United States, Russia, Chile, Australia, Spain, Italy, France, the Netherlands, Sweden, and Switzerland. Over the years, it has been well received and trusted by domestic and foreign clients. The workshop is equipped with advanced printing and cutting equipment, multiple assembly lines, mature technical workers, and a full range of molds for various board types, which can meet customers' OEM and ODM customization needs. We adhere to the concept of quality first, service first, and safe production. Welcome everyone to visit our factory.